So hello and welcome to everyone from this cacophonous crowd. It doesn't take too much to imagine how important a game we are about to witness here. A South American rivalry like almost no other. Perhaps the biggest of them all, it is of course the Super Classico, BOCA Juniors against River Plate. It is a fixture that truly does stand out. Two clubs, polar opposites of each other in terms of image and what they represent. It is a battle between those perceived to be the haves and the have-nots. It is burning hot. Well, River Plate have always been considered the uptown club amongst those in the Argentine capital. But the supporters, believe me, are no less passionate or loud. Well, this is a friendly, but a friendly only in name.
Well, exhibition match sounds like an easy-ozy game of football, Peter, and a picture-perfect occasion until the word pride gets a mention. And it's likely to have quite a big say between teams that could easily be sucked into an excuse for another feud. Why let an exhibition match get in the way of that? So these two will be going at it very, very strongly.
And that gets things running. And when these two meet, generally speaking, sparks fly. Who do you think this turns on, Jim?
Well, I'm going to say the Uruguayan Cavani. His willingness to put so much effort in is why he scored so many goals.
Hits one! Oh, he's going to be disappointed with that. That's a shade optimistic. Anything, Jim, to pick out of these early exchanges?
Well, I think both teams probably feel it's too early for either to start taking real risks. So they're still very much in a phase of testing the waters and sizing each other up.
There could be trouble here, but for now the referee is keeping his cards in his pocket. Cavani. He's got tall! And that's caused a worry or two.
Yeah, he may have snatched at that a bit, even though it was quite close.
Oh, he'd have done well to reach that. Lanzini is sporting a guilty look after that.
Yeah, the idea was right, the delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on.
Interesting ball. That's a nicely measured pass. Big chance! Goal! BOCA Juniors! First blood drawn. It is a good finish. The odds were against him, little matter.
Such a well-worked finish. It looked like he was going to be shut down, but he thrives in situations like that.
Convertido en el minuto 19, número 22.
They have what they wanted, the first breakthrough.
Oh, he's just loving that. Certainly gives you a very unique feeling. Tremendous.
Well, that is not the best ball, and he offers an apologetic look.
Encouraged the pass with an intelligent run, but the pass just lacked pace. They need to play this quicker in transitions like this. River Plate are really in a position where patience and prudence will serve them best. Time's on their side.
Lanzini. It looked as though that might lead to something quite promising, but it turned out that that was not the case. And a shot! Just off target. Quality ball. Figal, aim forwards.
This is the time you need that pace.
Good spot, he's seen the run. And the shot! In for the pieces!
OK, being behind at the break isn't ideal, but there's plenty of time to reply.
Figal. Oh, strongly challenged there.
Well, it's a move of great promise, but will it really prove productive? It's the sort of situation that they'll want to capitalise on now.
It's a sweet ball, that. And he was quick to react. And the referee brings the first half to a close. So there we are, half-time. Both teams head into their respective dressing room, and while there was a genuine flow about the game, most importantly, there has been just one telling moment. It is still very tight here. The game still up for grabs. And the half-time score, 1-0.
It's a dressing room that needs rousing at half-time, because in truth, they've not really been at it so far. If the pep talk works, we may see a very different side second half. We need to.
Well, it's been an enthralling game so far, this meeting of regular rivals. High intensity, high in passion. Tough game for the officials to this point, but that is unlikely to change. And the game has already resumed here.
Well, I think starting this half in a strong manner is essential, Peter, if you're chasing the game, which they are. You know, go with intent and purpose. Let your opponents know you're not just going to quietly bow down.
Figal. Looking for the runner. And that interception was most necessary.
That was well played, well stopped.
River Plate still this single goal behind. Now it's Cavani. That's good running with the ball. Barrero. Has a go! Oh, he's managed to get it all wrong.
It's easy to say it, but difficult to stop it when runs in behind are being made like that.
So we've reached the hour mark. Your impression so far, Jim?
Well, the time has arrived to start taking risks. They may well be happy just to level this.
Figal. And he skips past his man. Oh, well played, well played. That has been slung wide. And they win it back again. That is good strength. Oh, that's fabulous. Decent hit! And that is certainly not what he had in mind.
Boca Juniors certainly look a very capable counter-attacking team. They're direct, they're quick, and to be honest, they're full of belief that it'll pay off.
Cambio en el River Plate. Número 7.
We have got changes here from both sides, in fact.
Well, Peter, I don't think there's anything tactical or injury-related here. I think it's just all about the push for a goal now.
Oh, a delicate chip through. Just about up to 75 minutes. River Plate perhaps wondering what the best time is for their next substitution. And it's Lanzini. Lanzini! It's loose now and they want to get it back. Ball is over the line.
Cambio en el River Plate. Número 11. Número 10. Entran número 36. Número 26.
Real chance! Now, who's going to be first to this? And that has been clubbed away. Out towards the flank.
Well, there's plenty to like about this approach. Get your head down, keep battling away, and eventually things might change for you.
Time is running out here.
Well, it's looking like too little too late, but they are giving it all they have.
Nicely weighted ball. Oh, great ball! He's had a shot! And yes, it's there! And this is getting better and better.
Yeah, the pass was bang on, and he just had to ensure he didn't stray offside. The finish was actually bang on too.
Gol de Boca Juniors, convertido en el minuto 88. Número 16.
Two up and very little time left. Surely this is it.
Well, that's a really bitter blow. I think it's going to be very hard for them to find the character to respond from that.
Minutos de compensación.
Borja, nicely spread. Into the box. There will be 4 extra minutes. That's at the end. A performance of perspiration, work rate, grit, and those are very good qualities that might have got them something on another day. Sadly, not today. So there it is. What struck you most about that?
Yeah, well, I've been on the losing side in games like this, and I can tell you it really does hurt. It's about the fans, and when you let them down, it hurts that bit more. I mean, you can do all the right preparations and still end up on the losing side. I don't think they'll be going out tonight.
So thank you very much, Jim, for joining me. That brings us to the end of our coverage. So from us both, a very good evening.